mga Airbnb na lang siya mga center. One stop naman na siya from the train, from airport by train.
Yun
Venon.
diretso.
Kita kayo kung paano na right in the room. But Asakusa is nice.
Chill okay sila.
Yeah.
Lingkod na.
Wala mo may background. Apay na lang. Tuwik na lang kayo para makaon. Autumn day.
Oh, there's yung mga daghan kayo mga kuha.
Uy, look, the ganda ko. There. There.
Instagrammable. Where's Mr. Guzman? Oh yeah, don't bring him out here. They're gonna attack him. Dili eh.
Get Mr. Goose.
I didn't bring him.
Why?
You just send that to ISIS like a real goose.
There are no gooses
Ada
in here.
goose someday na.
That's a duck.
Oh. It's not a goose there. Looks kinda like Mr. Guzman. Unsa ba na siya no? Unsa ka din na before? So pa na mamatay ba? Unsa nga mga trees green?
These are like mga plants na for pang farm.
Oh.
And it died because it's not the season.